Welcome to my channel. I'm like a list in Python. Python has a method that we can use to unpack. Sometimes we want to unpack a list and assign the elements to different variables. We can use the Python unpacking operator, the asterisk. So, for example, we are going to have a list of uh, animal names and car name in our list. So we want to get out the car name from our list and assign to a car name variable. And the rest of the animal names will be assigned to variable animal's name. So let's see how to do it. So first we are going to have list of names. This will be our Ford car name, and then we are going to have cat and dog and tiger. And now we are going to assign the car name Ford to our car name variable. This will be car name, and then we are going to add asterisk sign, and then we are going to have animal names, and we are going to set it to names. When we add asterisk to animal names variable, by adding the asterisk to the animal name, we are basically telling Python that once it unpacks the car name, then all the other remaining names must be assigned to animal names. So let's try print car name, then animal names. So we have print car name and print animal name. And now we can run our code. So here is the output, our car name and list of animal names. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.